I am doing an unboxing of Ipsy. Now, Ipsy is one of my very first beauty subscription boxes that I ever did, and I still love it. I gave it up for a little while a few years ago, and then regretted it, and so I've been back at it. Ipsy's fun. Every month they give you a cosmetic bag, so I have lots of them, and they always give you fun products, and it's only 10 bucks. So definitely worthwhile. Sorry, I'm having an avalanche over here. Okay. So this month is that little goody sama. I don't know. It's a cute little picture. Okay. All right, and inside there's a little insert of Over Easy, and it talks about, hey there, sleepyhead. Okay, don't move a muscle. Lazy Sunday vibes are here. We're talking laid back, easy everything. Think tussle top knots, insanely soft tees, flush lips and cheeks, and not wearing pants. Our motto: homebody is the new beach body. And our mascot, none other than Gudetama, aka the sleepy, super chill cartoon egg, who's spreading the lazy babe vibes around your glam bag all month long. Okay. Yeah, I am not a good sight reader, apparently. All right. We'd love to tell you more, but that sounds like way too much work, so lounge around on our Ipsy.com to get more on the Ipsy Over Easy. Okay. All right. So what do we get? Ooh, I love eyeshadow. Okay, so we got an Ofra eyeshadow in Gold Rush. Looks really pretty. Let's check it out. I actually just ordered some Ofra shadows on Ulta today, so I'm not really familiar with them, but we will find out. Oh, that's really pretty, and that swatch is really nice. So there we go. Definitely will use that. Also the Ciate Wonder Wand, and oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to start wearing glasses for these videos. How fun is that? All right, and I will open it. Wow. All right. So anyway, I'm starting this channel because I am a makeup addict and I love it. I love to buy makeup, use makeup, mostly buy makeup. Ooh, that's actually really nice. Eye pencil. All right. Very nice. In black. And then, oh, it has like a little brush on the other end to smudge, to do something. Maybe if I wasn't blind and I could read it. Is it a brow pencil? Wonder Wand. It says it's a eyeliner. Okay. Interesting with the brush, but it does smudge it, so maybe that's what it's for. All right. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. All right, Raspberry Ripple. And this is from that Trifle Cosmetics. So they must be a new company. The Glossy box had a lipstick in there. So this looks like it is Raspberry Ripple. Okay. Blushes. Oh, and very cute, itty bitty tiny little blushes that are adorable and nice pretty colors. So let's try that. Be all official and swatch everything. All right, maybe. Okay, that is very pink. Peach. And then more of a coral. Pink, peach, coral. Okay. Cute. Should be fun. We will try them. All right. Oop, and a brush. So this is Illuminator from wow, I cannot read that. Okay, this is sad. All right. I will have to look this up. From something here. I will show you. It's in the Ipsy box. Okay. Well, these videos are harder than I think. All right. And then the Caudalie, and it is moisturizing sorbet. All right. I'm excited about this brush because I love brushes. I will one day, if you would like to see a brush collection, let me know because I have a lot of them. Okay. There's a very nice fresh scent to it. Feels kind of light, not greasy. Overall, I'd say this is pretty good. Fun samples for 10 bucks. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you get Ipsy too. And what you think of the box. Thank you. And again, this was my July Ipsy box. With the cute little egg, apparently. That's lazy.